Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got a return of a sample service and it is Pick a Mix by Feelunique. If you're new to the service, then carry on watching. I'll just give you a bit of a lowdown, but if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I chose, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Feelunique Pick a Mix is a sample service where you pay £3.95 shipping and you get to choose 5 samples for free from a huge range of different products. They tend to be small samples, so sachets and little tubes and little like 1ml perfumes, but sometimes you do find the odd really great sample. I think there was a mistake a couple of months ago when there was a Joe and Paul full size £28, well it's worth £28, a primer which I got and I love it. So now and again, yeah, whether it's a mistake or not, I don't know. I'm assuming it is, but it's definitely worth your while having a look. Unfortunately, it's only available in the UK, even though Feelunique ship internationally. So fingers crossed for that to change, because I know there's so many of you that live outside the UK that watch my videos and it's like, oh, why don't they do it out of the UK? It's not fair, but hopefully, you never know. You never know, things may change in the future. So yeah, so essentially you get these samples for free, you just pay shipping, but that £3.95 shipping then gets credited back onto your account, so you can use it towards any other purchase. You can't use it towards getting your next Pick a Mix or your beauty kit. They also do a subscription, you can't use it against that, but any other products on the Feelunique website you can, and currently they have a 60% huge winter sale on. So it's great, especially as you can add a few codes in at checkout as well. If you do this monthly, then you got like nearly £4 a month that you can save up to buy something in a couple of months' time. Some months are better than others, and sometimes we don't see much change on the website. There's no particular date that they release the products on their website. It just seems to be randomly throughout the month. The better samples tend to go super fast, especially as myself and other YouTubers and bloggers, etc. If we spot amazing deals, then obviously we want to share it with all of you. So they do tend to go quite quickly. So if you take out Pick a Mix samples, say on the 1st of January, you will not be able to do it again until the 1st of February. You need to sign up to create an account with Feelunique, but there's no subscription, there's no contract. You can order a Pick a Mix and then leave it for a year or so. That's if they carry on doing it. Well, they've been doing it for years. I've been on YouTube now for nearly 5 years and they've been doing it since I've started, so I don't think it's going anywhere. I love it. I love it. I just love the fact that it's free. I'm always shopping on Feelunique. I'm always using my £3.95 credit. So yeah, so it's free, completely free from me. But if there's anything else I've missed out, or if there's anything else you want to know, then please ask away. I'll pop a link to the Pick a Mix service as well as the Feelunique beauty kit down below in my description, as well as Feelunique have given me codes to share with you, which is Beauty Geek FU, which will entitle you to receive, this great name, isn't it? But it'll entitle you to receive 15% off products off the Feelunique website. There are exclusions, but yeah, you're welcome to have a look there, as I've collaborated with them in the past, so they've kind of given me a code to share with you. But yeah, the Pick a Mix service and the beauty kit I purchased myself. So yeah, let's get on to showing you what I chose. You get a little envelope full of little leaflets, you know, like money off HelloFresh and things like that. So first up, and I can't help it, whenever I see it I have to get it, and I've got blooming loads of them now. I've got loads of them. It's the NARS Climax mascara. I've even got a full size. But with these ones that I do get, I do use them regularly, but I put them away, take them on holiday with me. They're just a really nice size. And yeah, it's I do really like this mascara. I'll just show you the wand quickly and then I'll seal it back up and won't use it for a while. So there's a nice big wand there. It's always popping into the samples, always. There are lots of NARS actually. We had NARS Laguna bronzers in the past. We've had lots of Orgasm blushes from NARS as well. But yeah, so if you like your mascaras, then that's definitely worth a try. So there's that. Next up, I got a little aloe vera soothing gel. Aloe 99% soothing gel, and it's only what is here, it doesn't even say. There's probably like 5 mils or something like that. It's only a little one, so a single use try. Now I have had this before, not in a sachet form. I've had it maybe like a 30ml one, a little plastic bottle, and it is so nice, so nice. So I spotted it and I thought, well, I'll keep that in a little fridge, so whenever any of us need a bit of soothing, a bit of sunburn, not that we get a lot of sunburn in Wales, but you never know. So I just thought, oh, that'd be quite nice to have, because I have tried it before and it is lovely. Next up, I got a little teeny tiny sample, Uriage. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. This is a SPF 50 plus UVA, UVB mineral cream, and there's 3 mils here. So a little sample. I'm not going to open it because it is so small. It's a one-use cream. I love trying different SPFs. Factor 50 is the one I always opt for. I do use Factor 30 as well, but in the summer months, spring, summer, yeah, I use Factor 50 all the time. So I thought that might be quite nice to try, see what that is like. Next, I got a cream by Bioderma, and this is a brightening day care dark spot sensitive skin, and there's 5 mils there. So this appealed to me because at the moment I'm not too bad. I do suffer from hyperpigmentation and I get dark spots or dark areas mainly around here. It's like a little mask around here and on my forehead there, and it's usually in the summer. So even though I'm wearing Factor 50, it's usually brought on by sun, but because I'm wearing Factor 50, you'd think, why have I got, you know, why do I always get these extra marks in the summer? But it's because I sweat a lot. I sweat like a pig. Only on my flipping head. I've mentioned this loads of times. Hardly sweat on my body unless I'm doing excessive exercise. But yeah, I always sweat on my forehead. I've even looked into Botox. Now, I've never had any cosmetic procedure like Botox or fillers or anything on my face. I'm really scared of it. But I have looked into having Botox in my hairline, because I hate it. I absolutely hate it. I don't know if it's because it's my age. Getting on a bit, or I don't know, but it annoys the heck out of me. My sweat is probably washing away my SPF, so then I've always got these brown marks on my forehead. But I thought, yeah, I'll save this and give that a try to see what that's like. Bioderma is a lovely brand. They do a lot of Bioderma on the Feelunique website. It says helps reduce dark spots, evens out skin tone, and apply in the morning on face and neck after cleansing. And then lastly, we've got a product from We. I always say we. It's like, we have got it. You haven't got it. I have got it. But I always say we. I've chosen a product by Omorovicka. Now, have I said that right? I went through a phase of saying it perfectly correct. And I'm so chuffed with myself because previously I was saying it wrong. But I haven't received any products to talk about on my YouTube videos at all for a long while from this brand. So I'm not sure whether I've reverted back to pronouncing it wrong. I don't know, let me know down below. But anyway, this is a 2 ml Illumini C. So it's an eye cream with vitamin C. Vitamin C, nice and brightening. So it says here in very small writing, powered by vitamin C, A and E, Illumini C brightens, smooths and hydrates the eye contour after cleansing, gently dab along the eye socket, avoid skin close to the eyes. So yeah, so I've got an eye cream. So those are all my products. I'll just gather them all up. So I've got a face cream to help tackle pigmentation, dark spots. I've got an SPF cream. I have got a under eye cream. I've got an aloe vera soothing gel, and I've got a NARS mascara. All for free. All for free. Yeah, I'm really happy with what I've got. This will be going straight in my little fridge. Yeah, that'll be going in my little holiday box. And maybe the SPF will go in the holiday box as well. I love the fact that there's an option out there to test things, because some of these products, you know, there could be, maybe not these, but I know other products could be a lot of money, and you don't want to be spending like 30, 40, 50 pound odd on something that your skin doesn't like. So yeah, I really, really value that we have this sample service. I'd love to hear what you think. Do you use Pick and Mix sample service? Have you found any great little samples recently? Or are you watching this for the first time, learning all about it? I'd love to hear what you think. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.